Hi guys, in this video we're going to talk about what is Instagram's Vanish mode and how can you use it. So I've opened up my Instagram app for you and let's go to some messages. So Vanish mode allows users to send and receive messages that are going to be deleted as soon as you leave the chat. So basically you're opening a chat with someone, you will text with each other, and as soon as you leave this chat, all of your messages will be gone. So if I'm messaging here, hey, how are you? I go back and I go back, you still see this message, but with Vanish mode, it won't be. The feature has to be enabled and is only available for individual accounts and not on group chats. Maybe later this will be updated. However, you can use it with a professional account and with a personal account. So how do you use it? Open the Instagram app aside and let's go. Always go right here to the chat section, click on it, and click on or search for someone you want to chat with, or click on someone. Here you go. And scroll to the bottom. So scrolling and I swipe up to, as you can see here, I'm in Vanish mode. So another time, I'm in my Vanish mode right now. So if I'm say, hey, how are you? Now this will be gone as soon as I go out and go back. See for updates. Because I'm starting to screen record, you can see this can I do. So be aware, you can screen record and screenshots can also be taken of this. So why would you need Vanish mode? Because it's very private. No one can read these messages later on. So you can send much more messages, comfortable and secure. And users cannot save or forward messages. So as you can see, seen messages will disappear when you close the chat. So nobody read these messages, so they will stay. And once they are seen, they will be deleted. So this is a secure way to use the Vanish mode. If you have any questions about this, please let me know. One more time, as you can see here, I'm not in Vanish mode. I'm scrolling up. There it says swipe up to turn on Vanish mode. And I'm in Vanish mode, and I'm always can turn it off to click on this. I hope this helps. If you have any questions, please let me know.